What's up everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo. In today's video, we're going to give you 15 faceless YouTube channel ideas from Matt Parr. Definitely stick around until number 1 because it's one of the most profitable niches I've ever come across. Be sure to like and subscribe and share your feedback in the comments below after the video. Now let's dive right in. Matt Parr is a young entrepreneur who has made a fortune from his online ventures. He teaches you the ins and outs of starting your own faceless YouTube channel that can quickly grow into something big. These channels can be used to make money and are perfect for anyone looking to start their own business. In this video, we will discuss each of these channels in more detail and provide you with the tools you need to get started. Here are 15 faceless YouTube channel ideas from Matt Parr. Number 15, mystery. One of the most popular genres of YouTube is mystery, and there are many successful channels that focus on this theme. While some creators choose to show their faces, others remain anonymous, adding to the air of mystery around their content. If you're considering starting a mystery themed channel without showing your face, that's perfectly fine. In fact, it can even add to the suspense of your videos. There is something undeniably intriguing about a good mystery, whether it's a twisty psychological thriller or a otherworldly murder mystery. A well-crafted mystery can draw viewers in and keep them guessing until the very end. Given this popularity, it's no wonder that many people are starting their own mystery niche channel on YouTube. If you love to get lost in the twists and turns of a good murder or conspiracy story, then starting your own mystery channel might be just what you need to satisfy your cravings for all things mysterious. Number 14, dating advice. There are many different ways to start a successful dating advice YouTube channel, but there's a great strategy you can use to build up a connection with your audience without showing your face. For example, you can focus on sharing inspirational stories or personal stories instead of generic dating tips. You can also use humor or interesting visual effects like animations or collages in order to engage your audience and keep them coming back for more. Of course, it's also crucial to be authentic and genuine in everything that you do. So if you really believe in what you're saying, that passion will definitely come through in your videos. At the end of the day, there are many different ways to build a successful online presence. All that matters is that you find what works best for you and stay true to yourself along the way. Number 13, paranormal. If you're interested in paranormal activity and want to start a YouTube channel dedicated to investigating it, there's no need to show your face if you don't want to. You can use creative techniques like filming in low light or using a voice changer to disguise your voice to maintain your secrecy. There are a few things to keep in mind when starting a paranormal YouTube channel without showing your face. First, consider using a screen name that doesn't reveal your identity. You should also avoid giving out personal information like your location or where you work. Finally, be aware that even if you're not showing your face, you may still be captured on camera by security cameras or witnesses if you're comfortable with the risk. Starting a paranormal YouTube channel can be a fun and exciting way to explore your interest in the supernatural. Number 12, law of attraction. The law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you to manifest your dreams and goals. And while there are many ways to put this law into action, one of the most popular is through YouTube. Whether you want to share your own success stories or provide tips and advice for others, a Law of Attraction YouTube channel can be a great way to reach a wide audience. Of course, you may be wondering how you can start such a channel without showing your face. While it's certainly possible to do so, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, consider using images or graphics instead of photos or videos of yourself. This will help to create more professional looks for your channel. Secondly, make sure to use keywords and tags that relate to the law of attraction in order to attract viewers who are interested in this topic. And finally, be sure to promote your channel on other social media platforms and in any relevant online communities. By following these tips, you can launch a successful law of attraction YouTube channel without ever revealing your face. Number 11, psychology. If you're interested in starting a psychology YouTube channel but are hesitant to show your own face on camera, there are a few simple strategies that you can use to get started. One of the easiest and most effective techniques is to focus on finding interesting subjects or cases to discuss or debate. This can be as simple as conducting research on a particular topic or as specific as sharing your thoughts on recent news stories related to mental health or well-being. Additionally, it can be helpful to find guest speakers or fellow psychologists who are willing to share their insights and to help create valuable content for your channel. With these tips in mind, anyone can start a successful psychology YouTube channel without showing their face. Number 10, vegan. There are many different ways to start a successful vegan YouTube channel. One option is to focus primarily on educating and inspiring your audience by sharing tips, recipes, and techniques that can help people transition to a vegan lifestyle. Another strategy is to use your channel as a platform for creative expression and entertainment, either through cooking demonstrations or through creative content like music videos or makeup tutorials. You can also choose to keep your true identity hidden from the public by using an alternative name and avatar in all of your videos. However, no matter what approach you take, it's important to have a clear vision for your channel so that you can consistently deliver high quality content that resonates with your target audience. With time and effort, you can create a thriving vegan YouTube channel that inspires and empowers others while staying authentically true to who you are. Number 9, travel. If you're interested in starting a travel YouTube channel, but you're not comfortable showing your face on camera. There are several things you can do to get started. First and foremost, it's important to choose the right equipment. A good quality camera is essential for getting high quality video footage that will be engaging for viewers. In addition, you'll also want to invest in auxiliary equipment, such as lighting kits or microphones, that help to improve the sound quality of your videos. Once you've got your gear locked down, it's time to start brainstorming content ideas. There are endless possibilities when it comes to creating videos about travel. You might choose to focus on specific destinations, highlight popular activities in various cities, or share tips and insights about planning a holiday trip. The key is to come up with content that is unique and interesting, while still resonating with viewers and helping them plan with their next adventures. With the right preparation and planning, anyone can start a successful travel YouTube channel without having to share their own face on camera. So don't let fear hold you back. Get out there and start exploring. Number 8, personal development. To start a personal development YouTube channel without showing your face, the first step is to select a strong theme or focus area for your content. This could be anything from productivity and organization to time management, stress reduction, or work-life balance. Once you've chosen your topic, do some research on successful personal development channels and see which strategies they use to build their audiences. Some popular techniques include creating high-quality video content on a consistent basis, engaging with the viewers in the comment sections, and collaborating with other online influencers and content creators. Next, you'll need to set up your social media accounts and begin building an audience. You can begin by sharing your videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and using hashtags like #personal-development or #self-improvement to reach a wider audience. By keeping active on social media and consistently putting out high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you'll soon find that your YouTube channel becomes a thriving hub for all things personal development. Number 7, muscle building. Starting a fitness channel on YouTube can be a great way to share your passion for health and fitness with the world. However, many people are hesitant to put their face out there for the world to see. If this is the case for you, there are still plenty of ways to create an engaging and successful channel. One option is to focus on instruction-based videos. You can provide detailed demonstrations of exercises without ever having to show your face. Another possibility is to use voiceover narrations in your videos. This can be a great way to add personality and flair, while still keeping your identity private. Whatever approach you take, remember that the most important thing is to produce high-quality content that will resonate with your audience. With hard work and dedication, you can build a successful channel even without revealing your face. Number 6, drones. There are many great tips for starting a drone-based YouTube channel without having to show your face. The key is to focus on content and technical skills rather than your personal appearance or presentation style. First, it's important to choose the right equipment. This includes a high-quality camera that allows you to capture high-resolution footage with ease and precision. It's also important to have access to editing softwares that can help you make quick aesthetic edits to your videos. Another important step is to invest in some quality training or tutorials. For example, there are many online resources that can teach you everything from basic flight to control tactics to advanced aerial photography procedures. By learning these skills, you will be able to create smooth, professional quality content that really impresses your viewers. In addition, to focus on content and technical skills, it's also essential to pay attention to the bigger picture. Be sure to come up with an engaging name for your channel and promote yourself through social media platforms and other communities as well as YouTube itself. Above all else, have fun with it. With enough time and effort, you can build a successful drone-based YouTube channel without ever having to show your face. Number 5, toy reviews. When starting a toy review YouTube channel, there are a few key tips to keep in mind. First, it's important to choose your content carefully. While some viewers may prefer unboxing and playing with new toys, others may value instructional videos that teach them how to build or use various items. Additionally, it's important to consider the different ways you can connect with your audience without showing your face. You might consider using voiceovers to describe your experience with each toy, or incorporating animations and other visual elements into your videos. Ultimately, the key is to find a tone that suits both you and your viewers, which will help you create engaging content that draws a following over time. Number 4, tech reviews. Technology is always evolving and there are always new products to review. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel to share your thoughts on the latest gadgets, you may be wondering if you need to show your face on camera. The good news is that you don't necessarily need to be in front of the camera to have a successful tech channel. There are a few things you can do to make sure your channel is successful even without showing your face. First, focus on providing clear and concise reviews. People want to know what you think about a product, and they don't necessarily need to see your face to get that information. You can still provide plenty of details and personality in your reviews without being on camera. Second, make sure that your your audio is clear and easy to understand. This is especially important if you are not using video footages, as people will only have your voice to guide them through the review. Third, use engaging visuals to complement your reviews. Whether you're using screen recordings or simply photos, clear and interesting visuals will help keep viewers engaged with your content. If you are tech savvy, then this would be a great fit for you. Number 3, airline reviews. Are you passionate about air travel? Do you love providing helpful reviews and advice to others? If so, then starting an airline review YouTube channel may be the perfect way to share your enthusiasm with the world. And you don't have to show your face on camera if you don't want to. Here are a few tips on how to get started. Number 1, pick a catchy name and brand for your channel. This will help people remember your channel and make it easier to find in search engines. Number 2, create informative and engaging video content. Provide valuable tips and destination recommendations that your viewers can use when planning their own trips. Number 3, use high quality video and audio equipment. This will help your videos stand out from the rest and give viewers a clear idea of what you're talking about. Number 4, promote your channel on social media and other online platforms. This will help you reach a wider audience and grow your following. Number 5, be consistent with your content creation. Regular viewers will keep viewers coming back for more and may even help you attract new subscribers. Following these tips will help you get started on creating a successful airline review YouTube channel without showing your face on camera. Number 2, yoga. If you're interested in starting a yoga YouTube channel but don't want to show your face, there are a few things you can do to get started. First, it's important to choose a catchy name for your channel that will help you stand out from the crowd. You'll also need to create an engaging channel trailer that will give viewers a taste of what your channel is all about. When it comes to filming your yoga videos, be sure to use high quality content and film in a well-lit room. And finally, don't forget to promote your channel on social media and other online platforms. By following these tips, you can start a successful yoga YouTube channel without showing your face. Now before we get to number 1, be sure to check out the YouTube course by Matt Parr in the description below if you're serious about starting a YouTube channel. Number 1, intermittent fasting. If you're serious about starting a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face, there are plenty of options for interesting content. One popular topic is intermittent fasting. While there are already many channels dedicated to this subject, there's always room for new voices with helpful tips and insights. When starting your channel, consider what unique perspective you can bring to the table. Do you have any personal experience with intermittent fasting that you can share? Are you particularly good at explaining the science behind it? Whatever your angle is, be sure to do your research and put together engaging and informative videos. You may also want to consider teaming up with other YouTubers who share their interests but don't mind being in front of the camera. Collaborating with others is a great way to grow your audience and build a community around your channel. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos from making money online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.